Here's how to easily glow object in Premiere Pro. First of all, I'm just increasing my object length, and here from this tool panel I'm selecting rectangle tool, and then I'm just making a rectangle and hiding my object completely. And then from this essential graphics I'm just selecting a glowing color, and then select the selection tool, increase your graphics length, and now we have to put our object above the graphic layer. So just click this clip and put it above the graphic layer just like this, and then go to effects, Gaussian blur, and add the Gaussian blur effect to your graphic clip. Then go to effect controls and scroll down under Gaussian blur. Here you will find blurriness. Just increase this blurriness according to your choice. So I'm giving here 800%, and here you can see the result. Now using the selection tool, just select here your graphic clip and select motion, and then you can click these dots and you can increase or decrease your light just like this, and that's it.